What are some other like really good acquisitions tips you can give to someone just starting out? I mean, that was killer right there, but like anything else you can get for someone really just to get the deals?
Yes. All right. To get the deals, man, just figure out that one marketing channel. Look at your bank account, see what you could afford. Look at the different services out there, see what you can afford, right? And by you seeing what you could afford, right? What ideally what you want to do is you want to just work that list, and you might not have to buy. Look, SMS blast, you get 500 free texts. Like the guy's giving you 500 free texts. So let's say if you're buying a list for 1,000, right? And you got the data, you skip trace it, bro. Zach is giving away 500 free texts, bro. So half of the list you can hit them, and it's going to be free. Okay, so you're saving money. And then if let's say with 1,000, chances are you're probably not going to get a deal unless that list is skip trace or a list that has a higher percentage of motivation. Chances are, however, don't just hit them 1 month. Hit them the next month, the third month, the fourth month, the fifth month. You got to follow up with the ones who didn't respond, man. So yes, that's my advice, man. Because what I see a lot, Zach, and you see this, and it's not gonna stop. Is people, this month is December, right? So people are pressed for cash, or they just seen guys on social media living the life that they aspire to live. So they want to get in this business solely for a check. So they buy a list of 300 names, text them and say, oh, it doesn't work. So
you should see how many texts I'm at almost 2,000 texts a day. And you have to.
You have to.
I always look at it as fishing, in my opinion, when it comes to marketing. Just because I like fishing, you just do a wide net, you can get something like that, kind of like you doing with your county list. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.